Sirens went off, then we had a couple of deputies, I think, were spotting it.
Just something in me decided I needed to tell them that we need to get down on our knees and cover our head. And right when they were done, the tornado hit.
All you could hear was upstairs is like the Coliseum roof getting ripped off.
I think the Summer Blast staff will always be heroes to me. Because of them, I have her.
We have gotten such support to restore our building that is a historical building in our community dedicated to the veterans. That means the world to us.
The rebuilding process has begun, both physically, as you see here, and emotionally, as these people that we've seen here today and have talked to today have shared with us. You guys have done a terrific job here, and all the small acts of kindness and heroism that's taken place in every little corner of this city. I can only believe that this town is coming back stronger than ever.